Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's vlog is about the bamboo chicken recipe which we have on the way to Bhadrachalam. So on the way there is a village called Maridumilli which is made for bamboo chicken. They will prepare the chicken very excellent, and how they will prepare also I'm going to show you guys. Don't miss to watch full video. And before that, you know right what to do. Please do subscribe, share, like my videos guys. And this is a view which is already there in the Bhadrachalam travel vlog. Please go ahead and watch who have not watched my travel vlog guys. It is a wonderful experience you will also get watching my videos, and who are really watching my videos without subscribing, please do subscribe, share, like my videos guys. So come on, let's get into the video now. Actually the greenery, along with that there is a village, and in that village they are preparing very hot chicken with a bamboo, and which is not using any oil inside that, and they're preparing very healthy chicken I felt. So when I told you this 5 years back or 6 years back we came, that time also we tried this chicken, which was an excellent taste we really felt. And now also I thought of trying, because before going to Bhadrachalam temple we'll just finish this and then we'll just fresh up and then we'll visit the temple. So we had planned like that. So guys, come on, this is the Maridumilli village. We already reached now. So this is the bamboos which they have kept only for the tourist people will visit here. Whoever visit, definitely they will not miss to have this bamboo chicken guys. And how they will prepare, let's see. The salt she added, and chicken masala which she added, depends on the chicken quantity guys. Now she's adding the red chili powder. She's not going to use any coriander powder here guys, and she's using 1 kg of chicken. She's using this much of quantity, and ginger garlic paste of 1 tablespoon. And now she is adding the washed chicken, raw chicken only, and now she's going to give a nice mix to this. She's adding 1 to 2 tablespoons of curd here, because the chicken will cook very soon it seems, because she's not going to cook in any vessel, she's going to cook in bamboo. So for that curd is required I think so. She told it will cook very soon. So she's marinating well, and she just bought the bamboos. It's already, she just washed the bamboos and she bought, and she's gonna add a half of here 1 kg chicken. Half kg chicken will really fit into this particular bamboo, and you should not fill completely guys. You should fill only half of the chicken to that particular bamboo. So she just divided the 1 kg of chicken to half kg chicken to 1 bamboo, and other bamboo she's added half kg of another half kg of chicken. So for that she is not gonna add any oil here. So I felt really surprised, how can it cook without oil, that too not in the vessel, only with the bamboo sticks. Wow. Not even added the water guys. Remember, if you want to prepare, nor if you visit this place, please don't miss to have this bamboo chicken. It is that tasty. And she just covered with dry leaves to close that, because it will cook only with the steam guys. So she just covered with the dry leaves, and once it covered, she just bought outside, because there is a shop where they cook only outside. This is just like a display, as well as to cook, the smoke will come, no, that will also they can't bear inside, no. So outside they're just cooking. This will really completely, it will burn. The green color will change to black color bamboo guys, and that much time she's gonna cook, means 15 to 20 minutes only it will take. But the chicken taste was awesome guys. I really enjoyed. The 2 more was biryani we just ordered, and that video also I'm gonna post in future guys. And she's the one who prepared all the recipes from the bamboo. It's her own place, own shop, and she is the one who is handling everything over there. I really felt so happy for her. I think our bamboo chicken is getting ready, guys, and now let's see how it looks and how it tastes. And the for side dish, she has given some onions and lemon also. You can squeeze lemon on that if you have it. Onions, wow, it was awesome taste. And it is very hot too, and it was excellent taste really got, guys. I really enjoyed going there. I really enjoyed the bamboo chicken, and I'm gonna share a bamboo biryani also in coming videos. Don't miss to watch my videos, guys. Who are really watching my videos for the first time, please do subscribe, share, like my videos, and let's catch up with a new video again tomorrow. Until then, take care. Bye bye.